everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for software developers, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your skills. We're talking about version control systems, or VCS. If you've ever wondered what they are, who they're for, and why you need one, you're in the right place. Let's get started. As described on the GIT website, version control is a system that records changes to a file or set of files over time so that you can recall specific versions later. Version control like a time machine for your code. It helps you keep track of changes you make to your software project over time. Imagine being able to rewind to a specific point if something goes wrong or collaborate seamlessly with other developers. That's the power of version control. With a VCS, every change you make to your code is recorded, along with details like who made the change and when. This makes it easy to understand the history of your project. If you're working as a team, a VCS allows multiple developers to work on the same project simultaneously without stepping on each other's toes. It's like a virtual collaboration space for your code. GitHub is a web-based platform that utilizes the power of a specific type of version control system called GIT. While GIT is the VCS, GitHub provides a hosting service for GIT repositories. It's like a social network for developers and their projects. There are millions of projects being shared on GitHub as a kind of social network and portfolio of open-source projects. In this example, we are looking at an open-source software platform which is continually being developed on by a team of collaborators. You can see all of the software changes known as repos, which are stored on GitHub for everyone to see. Each change has comments and a time associated with this so you can see who created which change and when. You can also see all the collaborators who have worked on the overall project and when they have been most active on making changes, along with an overall graph for the whole community of collaborators.